Welcome to this presentation on SAP Business by Design. This presentation is intended for all users of the system. In this video, I'm going to show you how to personalize your user interface. There is a lot you can do to personalize your ByDesign system. For starters, if you want to change the order in which the work centers appear on the top of your screen, you can simply highlight a work center and then drag and drop it to the desirable place. Now you can see the sales order work center is moved to the front of the line. Next, you may notice there is a personalized push button on the upper right corner of your screen. It gives you several options to personalize this screen, my settings, and my background image. One thing to keep in mind is that all the changes you do in the personalized mode are only available to you. If you want to make changes to all the users in the company, you have to be a key user. A key user has this adaptation mode, which can change the UI for all the users of the system. We will cover that in a different key user adaptation video. Now, let's go back and go through the personalized features one by one. When you select Personalize this screen, a sidecar will appear. This sidecar gives you all the options you can change on this particular screen. Personalized layout allows you to adjust the content in half size or full size of the screen. Two black boxes means the content is full size across the screen. And one box to the left means the sales order report is available half size to the left. This report is available half size to the right. And you can simply make something invisible. Just unselect the visible box. And you can also move the order of the content by using the up and down arrow. You can see now we are moving the top work list to the top of the line. To add content to the screen, you can simply make a section visible. Let's try to add latest news. Let's scroll down a little bit. You can see here we can also add a report. All the report that's available is listed here. Let's try to add this account contact data report. And you can scroll down to further refine the properties in which you want to run the report with. After you're fine with the property, you can simply add the report. Next, you can also add mashup or web service to the screen. Let's try to add this clock. And last but not least, you can also personalize the navigation. You can add available view or available comment text to the screen. The available view are listed here. Let's add this implementation project view to our work center drop-down. And to add available comment text, just simply select the text you want to add to the comment text toolbar. Let's try to add this new corporate account. Once we're done, click on Save. This will save our changes. Let's now exit out of the personalization mode. The screen refreshes and we can see our change right away. This is the new clock widget that we add via the mashup. And we move the top work list to the top of the line. And we also add this additional implementation project to the view. And last but not least, on the common task, we add this new corporate account common task. So everything that we change is available here. One thing I want to mention is that on different screens, different personalization options are available due to the content difference. Now we're on the sales order work list. When we click Personalize this screen, the sidecar appears, but it looks slightly different than what we have seen on the Home Overview Personalize screen. Here, we can directly change the screen layout of this work list. There are different sections on the screen. First, we see there is the sales order table, following by the detail section, account, contact, ship to, bill to. It is very easy to make a section visible or to hide it. As we click to make bill to invisible, we can scroll down and you can see now the bill to section is gone. And let's make it visible now. Within a section, you can further refine which field you want to make it visible. We are highlighting this contact section, and let's try to hide the email. And you can see the email line is gone immediately. Now let's make it visible again. Last but not least, you can also change how the table appears. The columns are listed here. You can simply hide a column by unselecting it. And you can also move a column by using the up and down arrow to change the column's order. Now we're making account ID right next to the account. If you scroll down a little bit, you can see there are many different personalization options on this table. You can display settings. You can configure the sorting and the grouping of this table. And you can configure the calculation of this table. There are a lot you can do to further refine your table. Now let's save all the changes. When we exit out the personalization mode, we can see all the changes we have made on this sales order table. Next, let's take a look at Personalize My Settings. Please note, if you change your system setting, you have to log off the system, then to log on in order for your change to take effect. On this Change Setting view, you have 4 different tabs. First is the regional setting. You can change the day format, decimal, time zone, time format, and language. Next tab is the on-screen help. By default, on-screen help text is available to assist you to use the ByDesign system. On-screen help text consists of text boxes that are shown at the top of the screen or as short help text when you mouse over a field. Next, accessibility. You can choose to add additional accessibility text to PDF files so they can be used by the screen readers. Next, tablet navigation. By default, when you click on a link within the ByDesign system, a new screen is open in a new tab at the bottom of the screen. If you want the new screen to be open in a separate browser window, you need to deselect this checkbox. Let's save and close our changes. And next, let me show you how to change my background image. You can personalize your background image to change the look and feel of your ByDesign system. Here we can browse our picture library and pick a background that we like. You can see the background is changed immediately. Once you're happy with it, just click OK. That's it on Personalize feature. I hope this has been a useful session to you. Thank you for watching.